Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to turn off background apps on Windows 11. First, click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now select Settings. In the Settings window, look at the menu on the left and click on Apps. A new page will open. Now click on Installed Apps. You will see a list of all the apps on your computer. Find the app you want to stop from running in the background. Next to the app name, click on the three dots icon. Then click on Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see Background Apps Permissions. You will see a box that says, "Let this app run in the background." Click on the box and choose Never. This will stop the app from using system resources when you are not actively using it. Repeat these steps for any other apps you do not want running in the background. Now I will show you how to turn off startup apps. Right-click the taskbar and click Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in a simple view, click More Details at the bottom. Now, click the Startup Apps tab. You will see a list of apps with their startup status. Look at the apps that say Enabled. Select any app you do not want to start automatically, then click Disable in the top right corner. Be sure to leave essential apps enabled, such as your security or antivirus software. Disabling startup apps will not remove them. It only prevents them from running in the background when you start your computer. Once you are done, close Task Manager. Your changes are saved automatically. That is all you need to do. Thanks for watching.